So hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about keyboard events using the JavaScript on the HTML page. So we just want to create an input tag. Okay, so inside the input tag, if we press any keyboard key, so the window should prompt us that the key has been pressed. Okay, so such a alert box message should be prompted when we press any keyboard key. Okay, so for that we will create an HTML page and we will use JavaScript to forgetting that those events work on the HTML page. Okay, so you can see on the screen that I have created file. So let's start with it. Let's create an empty template. Okay, so here inside title we will give JavaScript keyboard events using JavaScript. Okay, again let me reload the page. Okay, here it is, keyboard events using JavaScript. Okay, so now we will inside this we will insert our CSS. Okay, now after the body tag we will insert our script JavaScript. Okay, script.js done. So first of all we will create an input tag. Okay, so here input tag with a class of input box. Okay, done. So I have created an input tag. Okay, with a class and input box. So now inside the body tag inside the CSS we need to mention flex, then flex direction column. Okay, then align items setup done. Then finally margin top 200 pixels so that it will come in the center. Okay, done. Again let me so in the input tag when we hover using the mouse it should be box shadow 0 0 and 30 pixel. Okay, again border top should be 2 pixel solid of green color, and then border should be 5 pixel. Let's see it, 2.5 pixel. Okay, as well. Border bottom 2.5 pixel solid red. Border left 2.5 pixel solid yellow, and border right 2.5 pixel solid silver. Done. Let's see. Okay, done. Now finally border radius should be 5 pixel. Let's see. Done. Let again do it. Height 50 pixel, 50 pixel height, width 50 pixel. We can say 150. Font size larger. Let's see. Font size 10 pixel. What about 50 pixel? Okay, done. So till this we are done. So this is for style CSS. Okay, done. Now come to the JavaScript. So we will add an event listener. Okay, event listener to input tag that will listen when we press the key on the keyboard. Okay, so For that, document dot query selector, then input, then an email listener, then key down. Okay, when we down the key, it should be prompt us E. Now we will use if else statement. Okay, so for if we press control key, okay, if we press control key, so the alert should be control key pressed. Okay, if we press the control key, then it should be prompt us an alert box. Okay, like this, control key. Okay, done. Again, if we press alter key, alert, alter key press. Okay, let's see. After pressing alter key, it is showing us alter key press, control key. Okay, now for the shift key, so if we press shift key, it should be shift key press, like this. Okay, by pressing shift key, showing us shift key press. Okay, done. And if we press e dot key equal enter, then alter key enter press. Let's see. Okay, enter press, it's showing us enter press. Okay, likewise. So in this way we can use the keyboard events on the HTML page using JavaScript. And for example, for any other key, if the any other key pressed, okay, then we can say that simply key pressed e dot key. Okay, d press. Okay, likewise 3 press, 4, 5. So guys, we can also extend the functionality of this page. Okay, so for this we will going to add two more tags, the pre tag, okay, and the buttons for clearing the content from the input tag and pre tag. Okay, so let me show you. Currently it is of no function, okay, right now. So what you want, when we press the keyboard buttons, okay, keyboard keys, when we press them, so it should be prompted in the alert message box also, and it also printed, it should be printed in the pre tag also. Okay, so for that we have added a pre tag and the button. Okay, now here in our previous code, okay, we will add some more code inside this, forgetting that. So here in the history we will add we will select the pre tag, okay, which is of class name as comments. Okay, so here pre tag we have given a class name as comments. Okay, so we have selected the pre tag. Okay, now we will select an empty string. Okay, and also slash n for the new line. Okay, so these two lines of code has been added. Okay, so now inside each and every if statement, okay, we will add one more thing, hist plus equal. Like in the control we will add control. Okay, control key. So here inside alert we will add the same history plus equal assignment operator alt. Okay, alt key, done. Now here in the shifter we will also do the same, shift. Okay, and now at the place of enter, okay, now at the place of enter we will do again the same, plus equal, then enter. Okay, done. Now instead of this key, okay, what we will do, uh, we will add one more if statement for keys are not in okay. Okay, so we will select one more if statement. In this we will select if the key phrase is not control key, and it should not be alter key, and it should not be shift key also. Okay, and e dot key should not be enter key. Okay, so if these conditions satisfied, then what we want alert with the e dot key name. Okay, and also here also we will add hist. Then in the hist we will mention simply e dot key. Okay, so it will print the key which is not mentioned in the above. Okay, and finally what we will do, we will add in the pre tag. Okay, in the pre tag text content hist. Okay, whatever hist, this empty string has been collected from these if statements. Okay, so it should be printed in the pre tag. Okay, so that's why we have mentioned it. Okay, assign final hist value to pre tag. Okay, and now here inside this we will create a button to clear the content. Okay, from input box and pre tag. Okay, so now we need to select the button. Now attach an event listener. So if we click on the button, it will simply clear out. Okay, clear out input box and pre tag. So document.query the here comments. Okay, which is the class of the pre tag. Text content is equal to empty string. Okay, now query dot input box. Okay, now we will select the input tag. Okay, same we will do with the input tag also. So this is what we have done. So let's test this code. Okay, okay, we have press A, prompt also come, and it is also printed on the pre tag. Now B, it's also printed on the pre tag C, D, and then E. Okay, so in this way we can see that the keys as we press, we can get on the prompt also, and we can get on the pre tag also. Okay, now if we press this clear content button, it will clear out all the content. Okay, so in this way we can do it. Also, if you don't want the alert tag should be prompt, so you can simply comment them out. Okay, so we have commented out all this. Now again, okay, alter, then shift, okay, then if we press tab, okay, done, then again 1, then again backspace, then let's see. Okay, if we press this division, multiplication, minus, plus. Okay, so in this way numlock also comes. Okay, numlock, then end key, page up key, page down key, then home key. Okay, then delete key, then print key, it has been printed. Okay, so likewise you can use this. Okay, using this, so this is how we can get the output. Okay, if we don't want the alert to be shown, and if we press this clear content, it will simply clear out all the things. Okay, so hope guys this additional functionality also helpful to you. So I hope that this will be helpful, this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.